Why to install popular apps in mobile? There are 2.87 million apps available for download on the Google Play Store. Over 1 lakh apps are released monthly. The average user has more than 80 apps on their phone. Choosing the best apps for your mobile device is a difficult task. There are a few compelling reasons why you shouldn't install too many apps, despite the temptation to download every app that even somewhat appears interesting. Smartphones with a lot of apps not only take up storage space, but they can also affect the battery life and overall performance of the device. The physical hard disk of the phone still houses all of the apps on almost all modern smartphones. There is a limit to this capacity, and if you install too many apps, the hard drive will be completely full. If the hard drive is full, performance will start to suffer. You will also observe that your gadget is no longer capable of taking images, updating your phone, or downloading updates. Many apps run at least a few processes in the background. Your phone will become slower as you download additional background running applications. This is due to the fact that a phone can only handle so many tasks at once, including open and background apps. An operating system that is excessively slow is a sign that there are too many background apps. Another major issue is the proliferation of apps in mobile updates. Updating a large number of apps all at once can be a nightmare. You will begin to see update notifications at the top of your screen, and it will then begin installing each one individually. The process of installing each app will significantly slow down your phone and consume data. Installing popular apps allows you to bookmark your preferred websites and applications, freeing up RAM and accelerating the performance of your smartphone.